I don't know. I'm not even good at it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm in the middle of a makeup look. As you can see by the title, I am going to be doing an how-to on your winged eyeliner. So if you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs this video up, even though I haven't done anything yet, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. All right, so basically when it comes to eyeliner, there are four if you want to really think about it. So there are four different types of eyeliner. There's liquid liner, and normally it's like this. Okay, there's two types of liquid liner. There's the brush liner. So that's where the actual brush, like the tip which you're using to apply, is a brush. To me, this is the hardest because you have to have a really steady hand in order to do it cleanly. Then another liquid liner would be the felt tip liner. Now this is a little bit easier than the liquid liner, but in my opinion it's still pretty hard because you still do need a really steady hand in order to get your lines looking pretty neat. There is the eyeliner pencil. Now a lot of them these days aren't an actual like pencil, they just have like the cream inside and it's shaped like a little pencil. But this is still considered a pencil. To me, this is the easiest form of doing your eyeliner just because it's a little bit thicker. It's not as, you know, the product isn't going to move all over the place if your hand is moving. You know what I mean? So it gives you a little bit more leeway. The only difference is every time you use it, if you really want a sharp line, you're going to need to sharpen your pencil. Every time, no questions about it. Now, my favorite liner, as you guys already know because you've been watching me and you're already subscribed, is cream liner. And I already have some on my brush. And to me, cream liner is like the perfect in-between when it comes to your liner. So it's not as mobile as a liquid liner, but it's not as stiff as a pencil liner. So it's the perfect in-between. And I'm going to show you guys how I do my liners with my cream liner today. So what you want to do is get I like an angle brush when I do my liner. So you want to get an angled brush, small angled brush, and you want to put a decent amount on the tip of the brush. Now, I like to make sure that the end that's going to be like creating the point doesn't have like a big chunk on it, because that's not gonna end up with a sharp edge, you know what I mean? Now when you're doing your liner, I always start with the bottom stroke first and then I'll do the top. So you want to line it up with your bottom lid right here, and you want to see what angle your lid is at, you know, when your natural angle. So I take the brush at this angle, this angle, not this angle, this angle, and I start here. I place it right at the bottom, and then I just lightly, and try not to blink because you're gonna end up moving your brush. So I just lightly drag it up. Now this actually, I had this sitting on my brush for a little while, so it's actually kind of dry. So I'm gonna wipe that off and get some more. And once you start getting to the tip of the wing, you don't have to have the entire brush sitting on your face. You want to kind of use the tip here, the end, and kind of just like brush lightly so that it can give you that really sharp edge. So now that I have the bottom done at the length that I wanted it, I'm just gonna put some more cream on my brush. Not too much, just this right here. What I had at the beginning was a little bit much because I forgot I had already put some on the brush. So what you're gonna do is now you're gonna start from the tip here and you're just gonna bring it down. When I do this motion, I don't do several strokes, I just do one stroke, and I just bring it from here all the way down to my lid. Now you don't have to like do any type of swoop or anything, you just draw one straight line. because you're gonna fix that a little bit later. So you take here, I don't start all the way at the tip because I already created a point here, so I start a little bit below it so I don't make that end thick. So I figure out what angle I want to do it at, put it down here. So because I was talking so much, my cream kind of dried again, but I need a new cream liner anyway. Your cream shouldn't be drying this fast. I've had this for a while, so yeah. So if you end up getting something like this, don't worry about it. It's easy. You just go in, take the tip like I was saying before, and you just create a point. Okay, that's good enough for now. All right, so now you want to connect this. You see how when you move your eye, even though you drew a straight line here, when you move, it'll move with your eye. So it's not like a sharp angle or anything. So now what I do is I don't start to connect this line with the bottom lid line. I start in the middle. So I just start here, and then you just start drawing a line to connect the end of your wing to the middle. And it's okay if you have like a little bit of eyeliner at the, eyeshadow underneath the eye, because you could just go back and fill that in at the end. So once you have that midsection done, you can move on a little bit further to the inner corner. At this point, I would just go to the inner corner and then connect it again. And with any of this, you want to make sure that you do not blink, because you're going to throw yourself off. I'm just going to clean this up here because my liner was dry. All right, so now that you have the outline pretty much done, you just go back in and fill in. And there's nothing really special about this part. You just stay under the line. All right, so now you have your wing liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side now that you guys watch, but I'm not gonna talk through it because the talking is really throwing me off. I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm gonna follow the same steps and I'll let you guys just watch. Do you see how much better that came out now that I'm not talking? Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Of course, like with anything else in makeup, it just takes practice. When I started doing eyeliner, I started off using pencil. Then I tried liquid, realized that was extremely hard. Then I ended up going to cream, and I've been with cream ever since. So, and as you can see, I'm still not perfect. I still make mistakes. I still mess up, so yeah, you just have to take time, practice, and then eventually you'll get it and you'll be able to have outcomes like this every single time. Not this. But anyway, I hope that helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you thumbs this video up, even if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And yeah, I'm going to get back to finishing this makeup look, and I'll see you guys in my next one.